In today's episode, I'm back with another recipe that I'm pretty sure you're going to love because you also loved the other one and the other one. So I decided, why don't we do this again? So we are preparing some yellow ugali, and this is some yellow maize flour. So how do I get this yellow flour? You plant yellow maize, they will give you yellow maize, of course, and once you have the yellow maize unazipeleka kwa posho mill, then you grind them, and this is what you have. So hii ni unga ya kisiagi direct from the posho mill, and we are going to be preparing this. In the previous episode I used some yellow ugali, but I had mixed that with some white ugali, hii unga ya kawaida ya packet, so the color was not as deep as this one is going to be. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by adding my water, and I'm going to let this come to a boil. This is already hot water, so I'm just going to give it about a minute so that it can start boiling and we can go in with our flour. So my water is already boiling, and just a safety precaution, I'm going to reduce this to low. And this is going to mainly help so that when it starts bubbling up, the mixture of the flour and the water usichomeke kwa jiko. And as I've also mentioned, hii ni unga ya kisiagi. That means you need good manpower. So because you need a lot of strength, I'll be using this. This is called a kamata. You can get it for 50 shillings. You can as well get it for 500 shillings. It just depends on where you're going to be buying it. So I'm just going to mix my water and my flour till we have one consistency that doesn't have lumps huko katikati. So as you can see, we have some huge lumps. That's what I'm going to be breaking for the next like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll add some little bit more, and we are almost there. So that should be okay. Then I'm going to now start breaking the lumps, and I'm going to be pressing this against the wall till everything is well combined. So I'm going to be doing this portion by portion, and I've been doing this for like 30 seconds or so. So I'm pretty sure that hapa there's no lump. I'm going to turn it, and I'm going now to work on this other portion like that till you go around the whole ugali. So I've been doing that for about 3 minutes now, and I'm pretty sure that everything is well combined. So I'm going to cover this for a couple of minutes, and I'll be back to turn it. So this is how you know your ugali is ready. Unaona it doesn't stick to my hand. So this means that it is ready, and I've been cooking it for about 12 to 15 minutes thereabout. And it also tastes like it's ready. So we are going to form a hill, and we are going to get this off the fire. So what I like doing is I run my mwiko through cold water so that I can have an easy time. Also, we can see it's not sticking to the mwiko, and that also means our ugali is ready. So I want to have a perfect dome, and this looks okay. So our ugali is ready. I'm going to invert it onto a plate. So this is the plate that I use for my ugali, and I'm going to invert it here. I'll switch that off. Then I'm going to hold it like this, then place it like that so that it doesn't sweat, and it's also going to ensure that our ugali remains very dry. Then I'm simply going to cover this, and I'll see you for serving and tasting. So finally, let's begin. I've served my ugali with some spinach and some beef. Wow. So how to know your ugali is ready? Once you do this, you should not be having pieces of ugali sticking on your fingers. And that's how you know your ugali is ready. Wow. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.